How can we import images on CamScanner? Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open CamScanner app on your phone. As you do that, you want to tap on the camera-like option with a plus sign in the bottom middle. Then tap on image icon on the bottom right corner. Here you want to select any of the image that you want to import to CamScanner. Tap on import, that is on the top right corner. As you do that, you will enter to this page where you can crop the image and do the following activities as following. Tap on arrow facing right hand side corner. Now it is converted to PDF, now you can edit it. As you do that, you want to tap on the tick mark on the bottom right corner, and here you have imported the image to CamScanner. So you can do the following editing and sharing it in here. So that is how you can import image on CamScanner. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.